How important is it for her to be the first wife?
Yes, she is the first wife, and I'm happy to protect every cattle and everything. I'm
So
happy.
she's happy to, okay. What is her, when she gets up in the morning, what's her daily routine? What does she do every day that's,
Roro and Ashkainari bring and when I wake up in the morning, I prefer coffee, grinding sorghum, and cooking for my children.
okay, all right. How important is it for you to maintain your culture, to not be modernized or westernized?
Happy with my culture.
And is it important for her to
She's
maintain?
important, yeah.
It's important, okay.
How does she feel about us coming to visit them?
How do you feel about foreigners?
We are happy because we get income to help us to buy sorghum and shell.
Okay. So, what are her hopes and dreams in her life? What does she wish for, I guess?
Maybe she don't hope it. She stay in the village.
No, but she doesn't. Does hope to have a happy family or hope to?
I'm happy with my family.
Yeah, happy family.
Do you have questions for us?
Do you have any questions for us and what our life is like? No question. Okay, she's kind of shy. What does she hope for us foreigners to understand about her culture better?
Be my family. You can be her family.
Oh, okay. That's very nice. Oh, that's great.
That's nice.
Well, tell her thank you very much.
But
Yeah, thank you.